Sorry, boys. I'm so changeable. It is a weakness with me, but to be fair to myself, it is my only weakness.
You can't be allowed to continue. You just can't. I would try to convince you, but
Everything I have to say has already crossed your mind.
Probably my answer has crossed yours.
One looks for happiness, one longs to find a partner, one knows that nowadays one love will be the answer. One sees a crazy world, one needs a fresh perspective, one comes to realize one loves a true objective, one seeks a perfect love, one learns to tell the difference, one finds inconsequence, one love is all that makes